today we're going to talk about taking care of your clear retainer, what to do and what not to do with your clear retainer. These retainers are very flexible, but you don't want to put them in warm water, only use cold water on them. You can use a toothbrush, Listerine, any type of liquid hand soap, but you don't want to use toothpaste on it because it's too abrasive and it'll scratch it up. You can just dab it on your toothbrush and then rub around. Use cold water and just kind of get you a little lather going. And just be sure it's good and clean. You want to do this on a daily basis in the morning and at night before you go to bed. And then just kind of rinse it off and flip it over and let it dry out. Don't put it in your case wet because it could get moldy and even more gross. That comes to another point. Anytime that you take the retainer out of your mouth, you want to be sure you put it in your case. Do not wrap it in a napkin because someone around you will think it's trash, or even you will think it's trash and throw it away. Always keep it in your case. Be sure that when you put it in your case, you put it up. If you have pets, cats, dogs, anything, as soon as you take it out of your mouth, they can smell it and they will go and try to find it. Also, same thing with little brothers and sisters. They like them because it's yours and they want to be just like you. So be sure that you put it up so they can't get to it. The Retainer Bright, it's just like a denture cleaner. It's a little tablet. You can use this like once or twice a week. If you get sick, you just feel like your retainer has a film on it. It just kind of brightens it up, freshens it up a little bit. Just drop that tablet in some water. Drop your retainer in there, and you can soak it for a couple of hours. Doesn't have to be long, or you can do it all night, whatever you want to do. It's not going to hurt it. Just be sure you're not using hot water. And then take it out, rinse it out, and again, just flip it over. Be sure it's dried out before you put it back in your case. And that's what you need to know about taking care of your retainer.